This is the customer elevator, Macy's, Westmoreland Mall in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. As usual, we got Montgomery. Was conventional. 2. Definitely similar to Universal. Does this work? There's the hallway. 1. Here we go. Pretty nice. I mean, your typical nice Kaufmann elevator. For fixtures, Montgomery, conventional, hands-free 8-code client phone, 25 pound capacity. Before I'm going to ask, this is called conventional Montgomery literature. Close the door. Before we get any confusion, we got, these are conventional. These press different from Innovation Universal PBO1. See? Both got these arrows. There goes the end. That's it.